Good morning, everyone. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. We got cloudy skies, low tide, and I'm just about to head to the restaurant for breakfast. The restaurant is actually right at the end over there, and you gotta walk through this long bridge, and that will take you to the restaurant there for breakfast. It's a long walk. It's longer than I expected. And here is the restaurant. Pretty surprised there's no one else around. All to myself. Take a slow walk to my breakfast table, and there is my breakfast. I got nasi lemak, some curry pork, and some kuih. I can have this nice breakfast to this nice view. And here is a closer look at the nasi lemak. They said it is one of the best around this area. I'll find out in a while, and I'm having it with kopi o. What a nice breakfast. Yum yum.
Alright dear friends, that's my little video on the Tanjung Piai and Kukup area. I hope you like watching this video as much as I did making this video. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!